Wow! We are at Wonderland Park!
Yes, girls. Let's have a fun and happy day together.
Look at that huge roller coaster! I want to go on it!
Calm down, Luna. Let's get our tickets first and then enjoy the ride safely.
Yay! We got our tickets! Let's go, Lily!
Yes, Luna. I can't wait to see all the rides.
I want to go on the carousel first.
Good choice, Luna. Let's enjoy it together.
This ride is so fun! I love it!
Yes, it is gentle and very nice.
That was really nice. I feel happy now.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Let's try something new next.
Mom, the popcorn smells so good!
All right, Luna. Let's get some popcorn to share.
This popcorn is warm and tasty.
Yes, it makes the day even better.
Mom, can I try the big roller coaster now? Oh!
We will check your height first, Luna. Stand very straight, Luna.
Okay, Mom. I hope I am tall enough.
Good news, Luna. You are tall enough.
Yay! I can't believe it.
I think the ride is too fast for me.
Okay, Lily. You don't have to ride. I want to try it. I am not scared.
All right, Luna. I will watch you from here.
Whee! This is so fast and fun!
Hold on tight, Luna. You're doing great.
Woohoo! This is amazing! I love it!
You're so brave, Luna. Keep enjoying the ride.
That was so much fun! I want to go again!
Good job, Luna. Let's take a short break first.
This ice cream is so yummy!
I'm glad you like it, Luna. Let's enjoy a little rest.
Look, Lily! The horse ride looks so fun!
Yes, girls. Let's go ride safely and enjoy it.
I feel like a princess on my horse! This is so much fun! I love riding my horse!
Great job, Lily. You look so happy and brave.
Look, Lily! That haunted house looks so spooky!
Don't worry, girls. Let's go inside carefully and have fun.
Wow! It's so dark inside!
Don't worry, girls. I'm right here with you.
Mom, I'm scared!
Be brave, girls. I've got you both.
That was so creepy! I can't stop laughing!
You both did amazing. I'm proud of you.
Whee! I'm flying so high! Jumping is always fun!
Be careful, girls, but have lots of fun.
Say cheese! I want to see the photos later!
Smile, girls. These pictures will be so fun to look at.
Pizza looks delicious!
Here you go, girls. Let's enjoy.
I can't wait for the fireworks! This is gonna be amazing! Wow! Look at all those bright colors in the sky!
Isn't it beautiful, girls? Let's enjoy every moment.
This is so much fun! I love the fireworks!
Look at you both. You're having the best time.
Say cheese, Lily! This selfie will be amazing!
Smile, girls.
Look at all the colors, Lily! I want a butterfly on my cheek!
Go ahead, girls. Pick whatever you like and have fun.
Wow! My butterfly looks so pretty!
You both look amazing. Let's take some pictures.
I want a unicorn on my face. It will be magical.
That's a wonderful choice, Lily. Let's make it beautiful.
Girls, it's getting late. We should head home now. Ow, do we really have to go? I'm not ready to leave yet. Look at all the lights, Lily. It's so pretty at night.
Yes, girls. Let's enjoy these last moments before we go home.
Friends, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, don't forget to turn on notifications for more fun stories.